Question number 10, subtract. In that first one is 4xy square from 3xy square. So it means this number we are subtracting from this number. It means this number comes first, that is 3xy square. From this we are subtracting minus 4xy square. Here this will be plus. Okay, now we need to subtract, and the both signs are having unlike, both terms are having unlike signs, so we need to do subtract. After subtraction I'll be having 4 minus 3, I'll be having 1xy square, and the bigger number carrying the minus sign. So this answer simply we can just write minus xy square. Okay. In the question number 2, this polynomial we have to subtract from this number. Okay, now I'm just writing this is 8x square y, and I'll put here minus, we are subtracting, and put this polynomials in the bracket. Okay, so here it was only 1, so I've written directly. Now see here, minus 2x square y plus 3xy square. Now for the further simplification we need to open this bracket. So minus minus plus 2x square y minus plus minus 3xy square. Now see here, not all the terms are like terms here, so this is a like signs, right? Like terms, so we need to add this. 8 plus 2 is 10x square y minus 3xy square is what our answer here. Question number 3, this polynomial we have to subtract from this, right? So let me write this one as a first, 7a minus 3b plus c minus 2d. Okay, now I'm going to write this polynomial under this. See here, 3a I have to write at the under the same variable, minus 5b plus c and plus 2d. Since we are doing subtraction, so this signs we need to change, minus minus plus minus. Okay, now minus and minus we have to add, we will get minus 4d. This plus and minus it will get cancelled, so we'll be having 0, and I'm not writing that one is here. It is minus 3b plus 5b. Okay, we need to subtract. Now I'll be having 2b, and the bigger number carrying the positive sign, that is plus 2b, and here again it is unlike signs, plus and minus. 7 minus 3 I'll be having a 4a, and the bigger number carrying the positive sign. So answer we found, that is 4a plus 2b minus 4d here. Okay, let me write this polynomial first, 3x cube minus x square. From this we need to subtract this, right? So I'm writing here minus, and we are going to put this in the bracket. So either you can go with this method, or you can go with this method. X cube minus 4x minus 1. Now 3x cube minus x square plus x, we will open this bracket, minus plus minus x cube minus minus plus 4x minus minus plus 1. Now see here, like terms we have to see 3x cube and x cube here. So what we need to do, we need to subtract, and we'll be having 2x cube. Once we done, well, let's make a circle here, so we'll be not having any next doubt. So here it is x square, and this side there is no x square, I'm writing directly. Okay, we done with this. Now plus 6 plus 7, so what we need to do, we need to add. So I'm just writing here, so it will be in the series, like 6 plus 1 is 7. So if you're written here also, that is also not wrong. Okay, we done with this, and we left with only plus 4x. So answer we found, that is 2x cube minus x square plus 4x plus 7 here. Now question number 5, and here it is a cube minus 3a square plus 4a plus 1. So from this we need to subtract this, right? 6a. So we have to write here under the same term, 6a plus 3. Okay, here it will be 0 0, just let me write. So we are doing subtract, so we have to change the sign here. So it will become minus 3, and here it will become minus 6a. Here it is not required. Now plus 1 minus 3, I'll be having minus 2, plus 4a minus 6a, I'll be having minus 2a, and here it is remains minus 3a square plus a cube. So answer we found, that is a cube minus 3a square minus 2a minus 2 here. Question number 6, subtract CAB minus 4CAD minus CBD from 3ABC plus 5BCD minus CDA. So we have to subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. So we'll be having like a 3ABC, the first we have tried 3ABC, this polynomial, okay, plus 5BCD minus CDA. Nothing it is there means, remember there will be 1 here. Okay, now this we need to write under this polynomial in the way, so where we can find the like terms. So here it is CAB. So CAB, where it is CAB. Okay, so I'm going to say AB, I'm writing in this way, ABC. I'm just changing the its interplaces here. Okay, so I'll be writing ABC here. Okay, ABC, and here I'll placing 1 here. After that, CAD here I'll found it. Okay, so that is minus 4 CAD. I'm writing here how it is there. No, in this way I'm writing CDA, that is CAD. Okay, so it will not get after the addition or subtraction, that time we will not get a confusion with this letters here, whatever it is there. Now minus CBD, so I'm writing here BCD. So again 1 will be there, minus. Okay, now since we are doing the subtraction, so second polynomial signs it will get changed here. Okay, now see here it is a now plus 4CDA plus BCD minus 1 ABC or just ABC. Now here it is minus plus unlike sign, so we need to subtract. After subtraction I'll be having 3CDA and the bigger number carrying the positive sign. This is the bigger number. Okay, 4, that is having a plus, not a minus here, because we have changed. After that plus, and here it is plus like sign, so we need to do addition. So 5BCD plus 1BCD, I'll be having 6BCD and the bigger number carrying the positive sign. Okay, now plus, and here it is minus. Okay, after subtraction I'll be having 2ABC and the bigger number carrying the positive sign, so I'm not going to mention it here. Okay, anyhow it will be having the positive sign only if it is not written anything there. So answer we found 2ABC plus 6BCD plus 3CDA here. Okay. Question number 7. A square plus AB plus B square from 4A square minus 3AB plus 2B square. So we need to subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. Hence we need to write this polynomial as the first, 4A square minus 3AB AB plus 2B square. Okay, now I'm going to write this polynomial under this polynomial. Here A square we have to write to this like terms, same terms. Okay, and here it is plus AB, here it is plus B square. Now since we are doing the subtraction, we have to change the second polynomial sign. So it will become minus B square minus AB, and here it is minus A square plus 2B square minus B square. Here nothing it is there, means there will be 1. Okay, so unlike signs we need to subtract. 2 minus 1 we will get 1 B square and the bigger number carrying the positive sign here. Now see here. Here it is again the same thing, nothing it is there, means there will be 1 minus 3AB minus 1AB, like sign, so we need to add. So 3 plus 1 we will get 4 and AB. Now minus minus we have done addition, and see here bigger number carrying the negative sign, so we will be having minus 4AB here. Now plus 4A square minus A square, we need to subtract again. 4 minus 1 we will get 3A square and the bigger number carrying the positive sign. So if you are not written also, that is fine. So answer we found 3A square minus 4AB plus 1B square. Okay, or we can just write 3A square minus 4AB plus B square. If you didn't mention 1 also, that is fine, because always remember nothing it is there, means there will be 1 always. Okay. Question number 11. In that first one is take away minus 3x cube plus 4x square minus 5x plus 6 from 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 6. Take away this polynomial from this number. It means we have to subtract this number from this. Take away is nothing but what? We are taking this number from this number. For example, if it is here, imagine here it is 2 and here it is 5 in the place of this polynomial. In that case, take away 2 from 5. We are taking 2 from 5 means 5 minus 2 we will get and 3 we will get. Okay, so after taking of 2 from the 5 we will get. So similarly here we have to subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. So we will be having now 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 6 minus, now I'm going to put this in the bracket. Okay, minus 3x cube plus 4x square minus 5x plus 6, complete the bracket. Okay, now see here, this it will remain as it is, 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 6 minus minus plus 3x cube minus plus minus 4x square minus minus plus 5x minus plus minus 6 here. Okay, now we have to look for the like terms. Here it is x cube, here it is x cube. So these are what? Like terms. So 3x cube plus 3x cube. So we need to add. After addition, we'll be having 6x cube. Okay, we have done right. So let's make a circle here. So we will not get a confusion in the next step. Minus 4x square, and here it is minus 4x square. Minus minus like signs we need to add. So after addition, I'll be having 8x square, and since the both number having the negative signs only, and the both numbers are same. Okay, so I'll put a minus here. Now we done with this. The next one is plus 5x, and here it is plus 5x. We need to add. I'll be getting 10x here. Okay. Minus minus we need to add. 6 plus 6 is 12. So answer we will get for here 6x cube minus 8x square plus 10x minus 12. How we got after the taking 2 from the 5 we got the 3, no? Similarly we found the after taking this polynomial from this polynomial. Okay. Question number 2 in the same main. Take m square plus m plus 4 from minus m square plus 3m plus 6 and the result from m square plus m plus 1. See first up to here, see here. First we need to take this polynomial from this. It means we have to subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. And after that the result. So after subtraction whatever we will get the result, no? Again from that result, that result we have to take it from this. Again this result we have to subtract from this polynomial. Okay, for example here imagine here it is 2 and here it is 5 in this polynomial number, and here the polynomial imagine here it is a 10. Okay, so now see here, take 2 from 5 and the result from 10. See here, take 2 from 5. So we have to subtract 2 from the 5. So we will be having like 5 minus 2. After subtraction we will be getting 3. So the result what we got 3. Now see here, 3 from m square plus m plus sorry, here it is I have considered 10, right? Again see here, take 3 from 10. So I'll be having now 10 minus 3 equals to 7. Okay, so in this way we need to do here. Now see here, first I have to place this minus m square plus 3m plus 6. So we have to do subtract, right? So let me put here negative sign. Now put it in the bracket, that is m square plus m plus 4 here. Okay, now see here, minus m square plus 3m plus 6 minus plus minus m square, nothing it is there, means there will be plus positive sign. Okay, minus plus minus m minus plus minus 4 here. Now see here, here it is minus minus, sorry, like sign, so we need to add. Minus m square minus m square, we will get minus 2m square. We have done with this. Okay, now the next one is plus and minus, unlike sign, so we need to subtract. 3 minus 1, I'll be having 2m and the bigger number carrying the positive sign. Okay, now plus 6 minus 4, unlike sign, so we need to subtract. 6 minus 4, I'll be having 2 and the bigger number carrying the positive sign. Now see here, this is what we got the result. Again this number, this polynomial we have to subtract from this one. So let me write that one first, that is m square plus m plus 1. We have to do subtract, put a negative sign and put this polynomial in the bracket. Minus 2m square plus 2m plus 2. And whenever you're having the negative sign, no, if you are having the more than one term, we have to put it in the bracket. Okay, because the signs it will going to be changed. Now for the further simplification we need to open the bracket, right? Minus minus plus 2m square. Okay, now minus plus minus 2m minus plus minus 2 here. Now nothing it is there, means remember there will be 1. So 1m square plus 2m square, we will be having 3m square. Okay, the next one is plus m minus 2m. Again 1 will be there. The similar thing here also, 1 1. Okay, unlike sign, so we need to subtract. 2 minus 1, I'll be having 1m, but I'm simply writing just m only. Bigger number carrying the negative sign, so I have to write here, that is minus m here. Now we done with this. Okay, now the next one is plus 1 minus 2, unlike sign, so we need to subtract. 2 minus 1 will be having 1 and the bigger number carrying the negative sign. So answer we found 3m square minus m minus 1 here. Okay.